The reason why I wanted to pursue a career in pharmacy was because I wanted to have a positive impact on patients and build a rapport with patients too. I was interested to see how drugs could have a positive impact on their health outcomes and the process behind this as well. As well as this, when researching pharmacy as a career, I found that there were actually a lot of opportunities to get involved in different roles. So as a sort of community pharmacy or hospital pharmacy, but also industry. So the reason why I think that students should study pharmacy at the University of Wolverhampton is because it's a diverse university with an array of opportunities. I found the MPharm course itself to be taught at an exceptional standard, and that was seen by my employers also. It has a very strong clinical component, and the smaller cohort has allowed a very supportive environment, and I got to know my lecturers very well as well. The problem solving and the hands-on learning type and style of teaching really equipped me to progress in my career both confidently and competently, and especially in the current climate where I've been able to use my university experience and knowledge from my career to be a part of the UK frontline key worker staff. There are a variety of areas that pharmacists can work in. I myself focused on hospital pharmacy. So I undertook a variety of clinical rotations early on, including cardiology, surgery, respiratory and elderly care. I then had the opportunity to specialise in neonatal ITU and maternity, and here I reviewed patients and made decisions about their healthcare. Now, a part of that was a number of doctors and nurses, dietitians, etc., that all sat together to make decisions about patients. This in turn then led me to be appointed for the lead for research and clinical trials, and so I did that for a few years as well. A year later or so, I completed my independent prescribing course in blood-borne diseases, and here I aided the setup of pharmacist independent prescribing clinics. So this was where I sat in a clinic room, patients would come to me, I would review them from start to finish, and then give them their prescription too, and then call them through for follow-up also. I've always been interested in education and training, which is why then I went on to this role of becoming a teacher practitioner. So there's so much more to get involved with in the hospital sector, so specialties such as oncology and research, and getting involved with governing body inspections such as the Care Quality Commission and the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. The three reasons why I wanted to pursue a career in pharmacy was, first of all, the interaction with patients and building up that rapport. Secondly, to be a part of the patient's journey throughout their healthcare. And thirdly, to be part of the multidisciplinary team and make decisions about patients' care.